Hi, today we'll show how to repair the freezer if there is any problem in the freezer. Like example, now I come to open the freezer, I find some water here, that means there is some problem in the freezer. You will open this one, you will find out already no more frozen in this area, which is called little bit. Like you can see, there is the water, no more ice. How to repair it, I will show. Remove all the things from here. And then now, this will be full, this area ice already. Easy to first remove this one. You can see this already full ice. You want to do it temporarily, bring air dryer, blow the air here, 5 to 10 minutes, all the ice will go, you can close it back and on it again. Will run. But now we'll show what's the problem exactly in this one. Let me bring air dryer now and I will milk the water there. Now we have to on the air dryer. You can milk all the ice from there. Now when you are blowing the air here, all the ice going to go, but all this one will be water now. They will be down in the ground. Put some cloth there to get up water. Now almost finished. Little bit downside here, because this area full ice. There is downside still there. Almost now this one is finished. Make sure already all the ice is went. No more ice inside. Now there is no more ice inside. Now we have to, there is one ball here and one ball here. We have to open and lift this one up. Then there is one tube light. I will show you what's happening in the tube light. It's actually is heater. When there is timer in this one. When this will be starting ice in this one, automatically this tube light will work. Like more power will melt the ice inside. Let's open this one. Careful, that time is from here, it's tight. You have to remove it. We use screwdriver. Now we can remove this one, fix it up like that. Now there is one tube here. We have to remove. This is the tube light. So then I buy one, this one. This is the tube light. This one will be ice starting here, automatically there is timer, or by the temperature they will work like heater. They will melt all the ice from here. Now we're going to replace this one. Is easily opening from here. Over here also, they will open this. Both sides will be same. You have to use again the cover here. Come this one here inside. It's exactly same. Now going to assemble again. Put it in the same location. And we have to fix it back. One more thing, when you are going to fix it back there is their holder now, this two holder. And this one should be the cover in the top, for when with the water will melt, will not come directly in the bulb. Okay, let me assemble there. Now already we fix it in the location. This mallet I'm putting really for the screw nut coming from down, easy to fix. Because when you put the bolt, this is full down there, it will be difficult to remove. Again, you have to remove all the things. Only when you pack it there is enough. Okay, I pull it down. I take it back. Good. Now ready to assemble back everything. Open this one slowly. Wiring is still bad. Shift this one back. There is some freezer, there is some two screw. This one only by push. They will work. Now we assemble this one all. We'll on. Now it's on. We see the fan. Fan is working. There is one push button here. When you close the door, the fan will work. Now everything okay. I hope you like this video and put some experience for someone. Thank you for watching.